Good morning, students. We can start next section. Okay, this is equivalent versions of Euclid's fifth postulate. So, this portion and the remaining one exercise totally related to theory only. So, you can study just like you are studying the subject social science. Okay, this is just related to theory, but this one you have to understand what is the meaning. Okay, I'm reading here. No intersection of lines will take place when the sum of the measures of the interior angles on the same side of the falling lines is exactly 180 degree. Playfair's axiom. For every line L and for every point P not lying on L. So if we are taking some lines here, okay, for every line L, one line I drawn here, okay, and for every point P, this is another point P lying not lying on L. So this point P which is not lying the line L, okay, there exists a unique line M pass through P and parallel to L. So in this point, if you are drawing some lines which is passing through the point P, we will get exactly a unique line M. This is the line M. Okay, only one line we will get. That line should be parallel to the outside line L. That is the meaning. First we draw one line here L and we mark a point outside the line L. After that, if we are drawing so many lines like this, you can draw at any direction. You can draw only one, that means unique line which should be parallel to this L. Okay, note, two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. Two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. So if you are taking any other lines, those lines should not parallel to the line L. Only the M is parallel to the line L, okay, which is passing through the point P. That is the main condition. It should passing through the point P. Okay. So let us start next exercise 5.2. How do you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easier to understand? So Euclid's fifth postulate, something different to understand the meaning. So if we are rewriting this postulate, easily we can identify the meaning. This is the definition. Okay, when two lines are cut by a third line such that sum of interior angles is less than 180 degree on one side, then the first two lines intersect on the same side. Okay, so this is the new version. When two lines are cut by a third line, so if you are drawing two lines, okay, and it is cutting, these two lines are cutting a third line here, such that the sum of the interior angles is, if you are taking the sum of these two interior angles is, it should be less than 180 degree on one side, then the first two lines intersect on the same side. Okay, so sum of the interior angles should be is equal less than 180 degree on one side. Then we can say that the first two lines intersect on the same side. So the first two lines intersecting on the same side and the sum of the interior angles should be less than 180 degree. That is the meaning. Okay. Next question. Does Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel lines? Explain. So what is Euclid's fifth postulate? You can check in your textbook. Okay. So it implies the existence of parallel lines or not. Explain the method. Okay, it may be argued that Euclid's fifth postulate recognizes the existence of parallel lines if the sum of the interior angles is 180 degree on the both sides of the transversal, then the line will not intersect on any side. In bracket it is given that condition not intersecting, condition for intersection being that the sum of interior angles on that side should be less than 180 degree. So if two lines never intersects, then they are parallel. So if two lines are not intersecting, then we can say that both lines are parallel, right? So here it is mentioned that sum of the interior angles is less than 180 degree, correct? So condition for intersection being that the sum of interior angles on that side should be less than 180 degree. So if two lines are never intersect, then they are parallel. So this is something related to theory. Study these two questions. Okay.